Hi everyone. Hope all of you are stuck in your home during the lockdown period. You people are may not going to school, so for that I am going to help you in a topic for class 10, that is linear equation in two variable. So before I start, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Himanshu Sharma. I am from Assam. So I'd like to request all of you kindly subscribe my video and share maximum to your friends, and give me a comment whatever you feel. Yeah, thank you. So let's start. uh, our uh, Today our agenda is we shall discuss about linear equation in two variable. So you have already studied this kind of equation in earlier classes, like twice x plus 5 equal to 0, something like that. You have already uh, know how to solve this kind of equation. But in this year, in class 10, you have to study a linear equation where two variables will be present. Here I have given you the example of one variable, not two variable. So if I will give over here like thrice x plus thrice y minus 5 equal to 0. See, there are two variables. Okay, so you people have to study this kind of equation, how to solve this kind of equation. What is the meaning of solve? Solve, the meaning of solve is you need to find out the value of the variable. Here also you need to find out the value of the variable. Here two variables are there, so definitely you need to find out the value of the two variable. That is called solve. Okay, so before how to solve this kind of equation? To solve this kind of equation, you people have four techniques. Number one is substitution method. Number two, number three, elimination method. Number three, cross multiplication method. And number four, graph. So these four techniques, with the help of four techniques, you will be able to solve the linear equation. Okay, so today I am going to show you the process of substitution method, not these three. I will show you in my next video the elimination method and cross multiplication method. Okay, one most important thing is that I just forget one thing. To solve the linear equation in two variable, you will require two equation in a single equation. For example, if I am going to say that, say twice x minus thrice y minus 6 equal to 0, solve the equation, then you will not be able to solve, because here only one equation is there but two variables are there. You will not be able to solve. For this, to solve this equation, you require two equations. For example, thrice x plus twice y minus 4 equal to 0. Here two equations are there and you have to solve it. Then you will be able to solve, because there are two variables. If there are two variables, then you will require two equations. If there are three variables, then you will require three equations to solve. Understood? Fine. So by the process of substitution, how you will solve it? I'll show you one example. Let us take an example. Thrice x thrice x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, thrice x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, and twice x minus thrice y plus 5 equal to 0, twice x minus thrice y plus 5 equal to 0. Minus 8 equal to 0. Okay. Okay. So let us give here a equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now I am going to substitute a variable in a different equation. You are most probably not getting my point. Okay, I'll show you. So suppose from 1 implies thrice x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Let us think I'll substitute the value of one variable, not one variable. Okay, let us think I'll substitute the value of y. Then what you have to do, you have to keep y in the left hand side and rest all the constant and variable, all you have to shift in the right hand side. So for example, this one, y equal to minus thrice x minus thrice x minus 1. This is number 3. Okay, remember that when if you think that substitute the value of y, then keep y left hand side and rest all the numbers in the right hand side. If you think that I'll substitute the value of x, then keep only x in the left hand side, rest all the number in the right hand side. Okay, now most important, you have to substitute the value of y in the equation 2, not the equation 1, because the reason is this, because you have determined the value from this equation only. If you're going to substitute the value of y over here, then ultimately the result will be 0. That is why what you have to do, you have to substitute the value of that variable in the second equation from where you have not determined the value of this equation. Hope you are getting the point. So 2 implies, now I am going to substitute in 2. 2 implies twice x minus 3 into minus thrice x minus 1 plus 8 equal to 0. This implies twice x plus 9x plus 3 plus 8 equal to 0. This implies twice x plus 9x equal to 11x, 3 plus 8 is 11 equal to minus 11. I have shifted the value of 11 over there. This implies x equal to minus 11 by 11. It cancel out equal to minus 1. Yeah, you see, by the way I have calculated find out the value of x. One variable is already done. Now my responsibility is to find out the value of the other variable, that is y. Understood? Now what I'll do, I'll substitute the value of x in either 1, 2 or 3. Any one I'll substitute. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll substitute the value of x in equation 3. So 3 implies y equal to minus 3 into minus 1, minus 3 into minus 1, minus 1 equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. Therefore, hope you are getting the point. Therefore, the required solution is x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 2. Clear? Okay, thank you. Okay, now let us discuss one more question. For example, sorry. Okay, let us take this example. See, one point you remember that if you are going to solve this equation, the linear equation, pair of linear equation, then first thing your responsibility is you have to simplify in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. In this type, the linear equation should be in the form of these two types. If it is not in that type, may not be, the question may not give in the type all the time. But your responsibility is you have to simplify the equation in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. That is your priority. So the earlier question was in this format. So there is directly we can use the substitution method. But in this question is not in the format of this one. So first we have to simplify the equation in this kind of format. Okay. So see how you will do. So use distribution law, distributive property, minus 1 minus twice y plus 4 equal to 0. This implies x minus twice y, 4 minus 1 is plus 3 equal to 0. Now this equation is ready to solve. Number 1. Again the second equation is 2 into x plus 2, 2 into x plus 2, 2 into x plus 2 plus 3 into y plus 3, plus 3 into y plus 2. I hope. Yeah, equal to 0. This implies twice x, use distributive property, twice x plus 4 plus thrice y plus 6 equal to 0. This implies twice x plus thrice y plus 10 equal to 0. So this equation, I have simplified this equation and I have simplified this equation. Now these two equations is ready to solve. Understood? Fine. So now I'll just rub it out. Now our equations is this is the equation. Now you do substitution. For example, from 1 implies that x minus twice y plus 3 equal to 0. This implies x equal to twice y minus 3. Now this here as usual 3. Substitute the value of x again in this equation. I have already informed you, you should not put the value of x in the equation because you have determined the value of x from equation 1, not from the 2. So your responsibility is you have to substitute the value of x in the different organization in the different equation from where it was not derived. Understood? Fine. So I hope you will be able to solve it. Thank you. So I am going in a next question. Say, for example, x by 3 plus y by 3 is equal to 1 and x by 6 plus 5y by 12 equal to 1. These two type of equation. Fine. Now, here also you have seen that the two equations are not in the format of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is also in a different format. So, as I have already informed that your priority is to simplify the equation in the format of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Also, always remember, while you are going to solve the linear equation, you should not keep anything in the denominator. So first, you have to remove the denominator. Okay. For that, what you have to do, you take the LCM of this equation. So definitely LCM will be 3. LCM will be 3. So x plus y equal to 3. This implies x plus y, sorry, it's not 3, this is 1, equal to 1, 3, 1 into 3 is 3. So this equation is ready to solve. And the second equation, x by 6 x by 6 plus 5y by 12 equal to 1. So here also the LCM of 6 and 12 is definitely 12. So this implies 6 into 2 x into 2 plus 12 into 1 5y into 1 equal to 1. This implies 12 twice x plus 5y equal to 1. This implies twice x plus 5y equal to 12. This equation is also ready to solve. Okay, so now your equation is this two only. Okay, now you go to the process of substitution, what I have already discussed. Okay, so hope you are able to do it right now. Fine. Now I'll in the next video I will demonstrate the elimination method and cross multiplication method, graphical. And there is one more issue. I have already showed you that already informed you that you should not keep anything in the denominator. For example, x by 3 plus y by 3 equal to 1. In that case, what you did, you take the LCM of these two. But if there is a constant number in that, if in the denominator it is a constant number, you will be able to take the LCM of this. But if it is a variable, what you will do? So I will discuss the issue, discuss the thing in my next video. So for that, thank you very much for watching my video. And again, I am requesting to kindly subscribe my video and share my video to your friend, so that they can also get the necessary help, and give me a comment whatever you feel, if it is good, bad, whatever it is, no issue at all. Thank you very much, and give a like over it. Many thanks for watching.